District ya Kasese ne manywanka district etwirene iteganisibwa bahekera ba Allied Democratic Forces Abeebembezi bwa nyuma yo kuvugana byo kwirinda hamwe na Minister wa Kanyabwenge no kwaburihanga bashabira abaserukare b'ibyaro kugarizibwaho
police erimu intelligence ari gukora konkana abantu habaho za LDU habaho za vigilantes ijo tube turiyo meeting orwa mukaga na Commander Land Forces n'abandi ba security officers. I proposed to egaruzeho ba vigilantes to egaruzeho LDUs cause buri abakatuyamba korangu bakarwana rutaro barumara.
You don't need to politicize security because when the rebels are killing, they don't ask whether you are NRM or FDC or not. They just kill a human being. These are terrorists. They are trained to kill, to maim, to terrorize. They are not like the normal forces who are trained to guard, who are trained to protect people and their property.
Abeebembezi aba nabagaruka bashaba government okubegesa chaka muchaka konka.
Most of the local leaders have not undergone any refresher course or any military training that can help them or equip them with the tactics and the knowledge of how they can respond or what we can tell our people when we are attacked. The second one is that we don't have any security roads. The security roads or the would-be security roads that we have in our area, they are all dead. The roads are impassable.
And it was assisting to equip LOCs with the defensive mechanisms. And in the past, even LOCs were given guns. Now all those are interventions now, which probably need to be studied, and we'll see how we can rejuvenate them.
Lieutenant Joy Warsimbi RDC wa Kasese warajire bakuru b'amagombora hamwe na town councils okurebeka ngo bagumana bahereza za reporta zo kurugo magombora gabo.
On this note, I'm not requesting I'm instructing Chairman Head of Cities town clerks and sub-county chiefs every month I want to see minutes of your work. Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.